Carl Bratton from Chaparral Motorsports here with Charles from 100%. Here we're standing in front of the 2019 goggle line. Now 100% goggles are great goggles if you're looking to get maximum protection, visibility at a really good value price point. Now, what are some of the key features of the 100% goggles that you want the consumers to know about?
So first and foremost, number one key feature is that our entire adult motocross goggle line shares the same lens and tear-off profile. So you don't have to worry about which goggle you packed if you have the right lens or tear-off. It's simple. Everything is interchangeable and totally fits each other. And then we have 3 different distinct levels of goggles in terms of protection and price point. So we kind of have something for everyone.
Perfect. Now let's jump in and take a look at each of these colorways that are brand new for 2019, which we think are pretty exciting.
So new for 2019, we have 8 new Racecraft colorways. So Racecraft is our premium goggle. It has outriggers to offset the strap outside of your helmet to help with fit a little bit, 3-layer foam, removable nose guard. Nothing's updated with the chassis and fit, just 8 new great bold new colors. Racecraft Plus, which is a pretty new goggle for us. It came out late last year, but we're introducing 4 new colorways here. Racecraft Plus has a 4-layer foam. Lenses are interchangeable with the Racecraft, but the Plus includes a polycarbonate injection molded pre-curved lens. So a little bit more impact protection and a lot more clarity based on the way the lens is manufactured. Accuri is our mid-level line. So it's $45 retail with a clear lens, $60 with the mirror lens, and you'll see it doesn't have the outriggers. The strap attaches to the frame, traditional style. So really that's a personal preference in terms of which you would go with, the Racecraft or the Accuri. But 8 new colorways. This one in particular has a cool little foil print on the strap, and this one, it's hard to see, but if you zoom in, it's like a tort color. It's a couple kind of highlights of the 2019 colorway selection. And then also not on display here, we have a full line of Strata, which is our entry-level price point at $25 for the clear lens and $35 for the mirror. And then film systems, and we have youth goggles. We have 3 film systems here on display. So the Accuro Forecast is the most high-end one. So it's our Accuri goggle chassis with our Forecast film system, which is a 45mm film. It's able to slide behind the nose piece of the goggle, because on the lens it has some little bumps molded in. It bumps the nose out, allows the film to slide through that channel. So new for 2019 is the Strata Forecast. So the entry-level Strata frame and chassis with the Forecast film system. Still the same ultra-wide 45mm film system, but it's at a much more affordable price because it's on the Strata platform. And then we have the Strata SVS, which is the standard film system. So it's a much more narrow film, but a much more user-friendly, affordable price. Again, this one's on the Strata platform, so the price point's significantly lower, and the cost of entry is much more lower for the casual weekend warrior rider. But so basically, this is what the factory guys are going to wear on the weekend when it's raining, and you can have the same sort of protection on the Strata, or if you want to drop down to the Strata SVS version, you can get in at a low price point.
Sweet. And there you have it. That's the 2019 lineup of 100% goggles. Stop into Chaparral Motorsports. We've got all of these goggles on display, so you can touch them, feel them, lick them, whatever you'd like to do in order to get a better feel for what these goggles have to offer. Thanks a lot, Charles, for having us out and for taking a look at these goggles. It's amazing. Until next time, take care and ride safe.